Hi guys, and I'm back with another Animal Crossing New Horizons video. So let's hop right in, and it looks like it's going to be a rainy day. And I got my buddy Tom Nook here, so let's hop right in. Hello everyone, this is Tom Nook. It's 9:35 a.m. this happy Saturday, November 11th, 2023. I can't say I have much in the way of news to report to you today. You know, this morning on my daily walk I spotted a mushroom. We all well into fall now, aren't we? Mushrooms aren't just a staple flavor for fall, they're also good for crafting fall DIY memories. Yes, I want you all to enjoy fall all the DIY way. DIY recipes users will see that I've sent over a recipe for wonderful mushroom wreath. Try it out. I think that's how you pronounce that. Okay, whatever. It's time to go, Tom Nook. Hello, my Tom Nooks. Sometimes I just like to squish him. But not too much, though, then that ad might hurt him. Have you ever seen a balloon floating through the air, attempting present? Oh, it's loading too fast. So let's see what I have in my mailbox. You've received a message card from a friend. You can for it. It and send message cards at the airport. Okay. Once message card is received, it is saved on the Nintendo Switch system and can't be received again. Unreceived message cards are stored on the server for 90 days. After 90 days, they are deleted. Okay. You can have up to 300 message cards saved on the server. Once you exceed that amount, message cards will be deleted in order from oldest to newest, and that deleted and the deleted cards can't be received. Okay. So 5 out of 300. So I got a bunch. So I got a call from my mom, Heidi. You might remember her from my first Animal Crossing video. My second video. You might remember her. Happy Halloween. Okay. Wasn't. Mine are too full. Oh yeah, I have all this random junk. So I'm just gonna store it in my house for now. So I have 3 presents, so I have to get rid of 3 things. So I can place this thing for a second, and then this and this. That will give me enough room. Don't worry, it's not forever. I'll get it back at like the 5-minute mark on this video. Ooh, I got Nook Miles. Oh yeah, I have 5,000. I've been doing some off-camera unweeding stuff, if that's a word. Hoard or reward. Put more furniture in your house. Nook Inc. will give you Nook Miles based on the number of indoor furniture items you have. So you're earning rewards for making your house a home. My tools are not furniture. Okay. So yeah, now that we have that out of the way, let's see what I have. Heidi, my mom. Okay, so let's see what when we have some my dear Jack. Something about seeing piles of colorful leaves everywhere puts me in the mood to bake. pies, cakes, muffins, biscuits. I can't fight this. I won't. I think I need a bigger fridge. Mom. This is my in-game mom. And then Nintendo. Thanks for using the specially colored Joy-Con controller released in association with Animal Crossing New Horizons to show our appreciation. We're excited with this gift. We hope you enjoy it. From Nintendo. Oops. So let's see what I got. Present. I got a Nintendo Animal Crossing New Horizons Nintendo Switch. Now let's see what this is. Mom's reader kitchen mat, and what's this? A colorful shovel. So let's place that stuff down in my tent. So I got the Animal Crossing style Switch. So yeah, that's how I got it. So what should I move? How about I just place it right here? There, we got a Nintendo Switch. Oops. There. Now let's place down this kitchen mat. Oh. It's a lot smaller than I thought. Oh my god, what am I doing? I'm trying to pick up this carpet thingy. Just let me take it. Yes. Now put this back down. My place already is a mess. So now I'm going to talk to Tom Nook. But before we do that, I'm going to check the new recipe that Tom Nook sent all the residents on this island. Ooh, that's nice. I need to make that. Nice. Wait. What's this I see? Ocarina! I can time travel with that! I'm just kidding, this is Animal Crossing. We're playing Ocarina of Time, people. I've actually never played it. Ah, Jack, hello, hello. What would you like to talk to me about? I'm all ears. I've found a creature. Oh, splendid. Let's have a look, shall we? Oh no, this is going to take forever. Here, I'll speed this up for you. Oh, what a catch. I do believe this is a red dragonfly. Would you mind if I sent this magnificent creature along to my museum creating friend as well? Okay. Thank you, I promise that I'll take extra good care of your red dragonfly. By the way, I have a powerful reward for you this time. I've given you some red Cosmo bags. Just a little sampling of a product we sell. Go ahead and do some testing, and after a few days, you'll have a beautiful blooming flowers. Anyway, give it a whirl. And if you enjoy gardening, stop by and buy more. I hope you'll keep bringing me new discoveries to examine. It's all a part of the island experience. Yes, yes. Well, yeah. Yes, Bell Cricket, here you go. Oh, what a catch. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna send it to GLaDOS. Actually, I would rather GLaDOS Amiibo. Yeah. Just let me sell stuff to you. Ooh, watering cannon. Come on, hold this up. Come on. Yes, Cricket. Hold the phone, someone's calling. What? Ados, is that you? Oh ho! What splendid timing. Yes, yes. Do you remember the adventure we discussed? Well, it's come to fruition. I'm currently stationed on an island that we've decided to call Hyrule. Yes, yes. The local fauna are as abundant as expected, just as I told you. How many precisely, you ask? Well, there's no way of knowing just yet. But I have received, let's see, 5 outstanding specimens so far. What? Seriously? Well, that is very exciting. Oh, but you will have to excuse me. I'm with a customer right now. I'm sorry to keep you waiting. That was my friend Blathers, the one who creates a museum. Believe it or not, he's going to come to our island to help us identify and preserve the local creatures. But I could use your help, Jack. Since you've done so much scouting and collecting already, would you be able to help find a spot for Blathers? We need a good-sized space to really build out a world-class museum, so do keep that in mind. This is exciting. It's all coming together, yes, yes. Okay, I have so much more stuff to give you. Oops, no, I didn't mean to press that. Oh, I can't give him any more stuff. Okay. So it looks like I have to find a place for Blathers now. Okay, so this is going to be fun. So, what is that? A mushroom. Nice, my first mushroom. Where's a good spot for Blathers? Yo, what's going on over here, guys? Oh, hello, Stinky. I don't want it too close to my house. But this is a clay. That'll help me make the Ocarina of Time. Yes. Swap it. I'll just get rid of this bell cricket. You know what? I'm going to do that for all my creatures. Release. 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 Yes, release them all. Go out into the wild. Yes. And now a fish left. Can I release it into the water? Yes. Then I can pick up all of this random junk. There. Ooh, mushrooms. So, where should I place this museum? I want it to be in its, own spot. Oh yeah, that pogo stick! Get across the water now, I totally forgot. Bob Cameron, my Heidi, aka my mom, came over to my island and gave me a bunch of stuff. And the pogo pole was one of them. So I could get across the water. I totally forgot about that. Wow. That sounds like Bowser Cat Castle music. I totally forgot about the pogo stick. Shout out, Mom. Thanks, Mom. Ooh, mushroom. Hopefully they're not poisonous. So yeah, my basement is infested with spiders. I'm talking about my basement right now. I mean my bathroom on the lower level is right next to my bedroom. I've been terrified of them ever since I saw their webs. And once there was actually a daddy long legs in my bathroom, it terrified me. I was crying so much. It was terrifying. I think this is a good spot. Yeah, right here. This is the spot. Let me imagine it. Okay. Platypus can set up his place now. But this tree's kind of in the way. Do I have an axe? No. Well, I guess they're gonna say it like that. So, let's go back. So, what should I do? I think I should get to work on that Ocarina of Time. Is that a reference? One day I really want clay so I can start making clay sculptures. I already kind of made sculptures, but they're not made of clay. That's the downside. So it would be helpful if I can find a rock out there. So the trick is to do something like this, so it doesn't move you out of the way. There. Okay, there. I got one clay. Whee! Man. There. Now let's find some more rocks. Oh, there's another one right here. That's convenient. Ooh, it's a money rock. I forgot about these. I'm getting so rich. What? Why didn't it? Oh my god, I'm so rich. Nice. Oops. So yeah, and there's actually a money tree on this island. I almost forgot about that. Wait, what is that? That's a snail! Oh man, I don't have a net. Did I just hear a train? My mom once said, donate those sound like trains, but, I can't even see a cloud in the sky. Good thing my basement / bedroom has windows. Look, I dug up 1,000 bells. I'm going to do the right thing and plant it. Wait, does it work for any? Okay, whatever. Does it work with any hole or just this one? Okay, yes, this guy is gonna be the richest guy. I believe this is Flo's house because it has its light on. Yep, Flo's house. Flo, you're gonna be rich soon. Question mark? So, are there any other rocks? I'm sure there's more rocks on this island. Are there any rocks over there? I don't know, but I'm pogoing across. What if my pogo... Wait. Oh yeah, pogo sticks can't break. Is the rock I just... is found... So... where are the other rocks? Oh, there! Please give me more clay. That's the only thing I want right now. I shall time travel to faraway land. Let's go. Come on, clay. No. Wait, it's still warm. Oh. I just got stoned. Why do you refuse to give me clay? That makes me sad. Oops. Wait, Nook Miles. I have Nook Miles? Oh, there. I bet you didn't think you'd find berry bells here. But this is an island, after all. Buried treasure, and whatnot. Enjoy some Nook Miles from Nook Inc. to celebrate your discovery. Nice. Lucky type. Okay, and I got a new recipe? I need a round mushroom. If I can craft this, I can craft a bunch of stuff. All I want is this Ocarina of Time. Zelda Ocarina of Time. You shall be mine. You will be mine. I shall time travel. Oh, rock! Oh, that's another snail. What should I do about it? Should I hit the rock or should I leave it? Let's hit the rock! Chaos! Oh, just rolled off. There. Play. 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 Clay. Clay. Clay! All I wanted was clay. And you refused to give it to me. How dare you? Secret beach. I want to see what's up here. So that's my secret beach. Like I said in my first Animal Crossing video, every island has one. So, are there any rocks up here? No, not that I can see. Well, we must go up more. Oh. Wait, how many waterfalls do I have? Wait, nope. I have like I have 3 water balls. That's crazy. I wish you could teleport home. But you can with wasps. Let's see if I can get one. Wait. Oh, money! Well, why am I looking for wasps? That was just injury. Okay, never mind. I'm too scared to do that. Wee. Stinky! Where's Stinky? Hello, Stinky? Did you leave me? No. Oh wait, there's a rock right here. Oh, there you are, Stinky. Did I just say Sticky? I meant Stinky if I did. There. Come on. Wait. Why isn't it giving me any clay? I'm about to get mad. 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 Okay, let's see what Tom Nook says we should do next. Because I don't know what to do besides craft the Ocarina of Time. But that would be a funny meme. Ah, Jack. I take it you found a suitable spot for Lathos to set. Head up. I did. I knew I could count on you. Thank you. I'll let Lathos know that he can move in as soon as he wants. By the way, Jack, you are saving up Nook Miles, right? There's no rush to pay me back, of course. I'm just excited to see the program in action. I've got a few tips for racking up the old Nook Miles, so don't hesitate to ask if you need a little advice. Oh yeah, let's pay my moving fees. Oh, you'd like to pay for your moving fees? Very well, you owe 5,000 miles. Yes, I'm ready to pay. Thank you so much. Indeed, that is 5,000 miles and not a mile less. With that, your moving fees have been paid in full. This is a happy day for us both. Yes, you're free and clear of debt. I don't know pronounce that word. Living on a thriving scenic island. What could be better? Oh, that wasn't actually I don't pronounce that word question. Let me be more specific. How is that tent treating you? It could be better. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. But no one ever said that developing an island paradise would be easy. We don't do things because they are easy. We do them because they are profitable. Well, if you are going weary of life in a tent, yes, I suppose the time is right to discuss the possibility of building custom homes. Now, there are certain challenges to building fabulous homes in remote locations such as this. Challenges that do translate directly into costs, I'm afraid. But with zero interest, I don't know, pronounce that word, and the extremely lax repayment plan, anything is possible. So Jack, if you ever find yourself interested in a new home, do come see me. Oh, one more thing to share. We have a mile, I don't know that word, service. For the Nook Miles you've collected, when you access the Nook stuff, you'll be able to redeem your miles for lots of interesting things. You'll be sure to check it out sometime soon. Oh, I hope you're going to continue to enjoy your gateway package life. I want a new home. About my home. Oh, Jack! Have you made a decision about home ownership? Ready to move forward into comfort and luxury? As fun as living in a tent can be, a house gives you more space and helps you put down roots. Now, building a house means taking out a new loan in the amount. That's so much money! So what do you think? Ready to build your own sweet home? Yes. Thank you for your business. I'll get construction started right away. By the way, you get to choose from 8 different colors for the roof. Could you please select a roof color from this list? A different color. There are 4 other options. Choose one of these or one of the previous colors. Yes? Blue. Oh, one more thing. Homeowners get an automatic Nook mileage program upgrade. Just give me one moment. Yes, there we go. I've updated your program membership details, Jack. Now when you use the Nook Miles app, you'll have access to all the Nook Miles Plus benefits. Nook Miles Plus includes a nifty way to earn additional miles for special. I don't know how to pronounce that word. You'll see the details when you launch the app, so please give it a look when you can. That is all from me. Your wonderful new home should be ready tomorrow. Quite exciting, yes? Okay. What would you like to talk to me about? I'm all ears. What should I do? Yes. That is the question. By the way, thank you so much for finding a place for bladders to set up. But you're looking for practical suggestions. Well, your lovely future home is already under construction, so perhaps it's time to start thinking about, I don't know that word. I humbly suggest checking out Nook Shopping at the Nook Stop. Okay. Let's see. Yes, more miles. Miles is actually the name of one of my friends. That's funny. Nook Shopping. These all look cool. Ooh. Oh my god. These are sick. I'm totally gonna dress up as Mario for Mario Day, March 10th. Ooh. Hold on. Wait, hold on. I want to see how funny this looks. Wait, how do I wear my cap? I mean, my Mario mustache. I might as well buy all the stuff in the set. It's gonna be so funny. Wait. Ooh, wetsuit. There's a wetsuit. Sure. I want to swim. Let's buy that with my miles. Then can buy the Mario suit. So, Nook Shopping. Let's buy all this stuff for Mario Day, shall we? placeholder. My outfit, that's quite expensive. Oh, never mind. My shoes. Oh my god, I can be Mario now. I might as well buy the stuff for Luigi too, so Luigi outfit. Luigi shoes. Wait, what? What? I don't remember that being a thing. I can only buy 5 stuff per day. Oh, come on, Nook. At least I have Nook Miles Plus. Nook Miles makes it even easier to earn miles as you go about enjoying island life. Okay. Oh, there's stuff at the top too. Cool. I want to dress up as Mario. This is going to be so dope. I'm Nook. I love my plushie. I love my Tommy Nook plushie. Let's see. This is going to be so funny. I can't wait to be Mario. But I'm still bummed out that you can only buy 5 stuff per day. That sucks. So how do I get changed? Oh my god. Wait. Does it come in my mail box? I think it might. Yeah, that would make sense. Wait. Does it come like the next day? I totally forgot about it. But since... Wait. Ooh, let's plant some flowers around my house. Actually, no, I'll say that for another episode. But should I send the message to my mom, to Heidi, aka my mom? I'll send her some apples. They have a card set here, looks. Okay. Yes, let's do it. Send one. A friend. Good thing, which friend do you want to write it to? Heidi Enfield. Which one should I do? Ooh, this one is kind of like, looks kind of like Splatoon. Which one should I use? How about this one? No. Thanks. For the gifts. Thanks for the gifts. No. Wait. Wait, no. Wait, hold. Wait, no. There. Okay, I just gave my mom some apples. Letter sent. Thanks for your business. Okay, there we go. So I don't really have anything else to do until tomorrow when my house is built. So yeah, I think I'm gonna call it. Wait, nope, I'm not gonna call it tea. Oh, let's take a swim. Oh yeah, it's coming. Oh yeah, I don't have it either. So yeah, I am gonna call it here. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and bye.